Morning folks, welcome back to the channel. Join me this morning, we're in the Trooper, obviously got the trailer behind us. We're off to pick up another truck. It's not that far away, so let's get stuck into it and get moving. Let's go. To go and get another Trooper. This was only going to be a parts truck. Someone's already had the engine out of it, but I bought it as a roller. So there's going to be a few good parts on that I need for myself, or I'd like to keep for myself, and the rest will break up and then weigh the rest in. Cheers buddy, thank you very much. Well, we just got off the A14, just stopped to do a quick scrap check, but everything seems alright, nothing's moved. Lights are all still good on the trailer. We'll continue our short journey home now. Trailer's performed real well since I've rebuilt it. It's his first outing, but she's proved good. Everything's fine, no problems, no issues. Winch worked well. You can see why she's no longer on the road, can't you? She was a bit of a rotter. Well, that's it. Back home. Got home, no problems at all. Trailer was fine. Truck never moved. All good. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, what the bloody hell you bought that for, Colin? But this truck here, it's the duty. So if you know, you know, but all the duty's left of factory with a limited slip diff rear axle. You can just check that by looking under the bonnet. And it should say G80 on the option list. This one does. So she's got a limited slip in her. She's also got the steering box, which is worth a few quid to me. There's loads of other bits and bobs. She's got the interior. I don't think it was ever a proper working truck, but the interior, she's got a nice pair of seats here with armrests on, and I know a lad who's going to be happy with them. A few trim bits, the window switches, hard to come by these days. So the indicator stalks, few bits of switch gear, even just the window trim. The window trim on my truck is bent. It's a tree, it's bent. That one's nice and straight, so that can go on mine. There's a few bits and bobs that I'm going to take off it. Side steps might be used to somebody. They're all pretty solid, no rot on them. So the plan is take all the good bits off and then scrap what we don't need, get some of our money back. But for now she'll have to sit there as I've got a kitchen to go and tile for my daughter. So there will be part 2 of this when we start stripping it, and then when we scrap it, then other bits are in the boot. Still got the grill, the intercooler, the radiators in the front. So there's a few bits and bobs we're going to take off it. Some nice bits we need, keep our old troopers going, which is these 3.1s now, the bits are getting hard to come by. So that's what we've got to do. But it wasn't a bad trip out. Truck worked effortlessly. Trailer done well. All good. That's me. We'll see you next time. Thanks very much for watching.